Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling, helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze. While you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, out here at the outdoor fresh farm with it, you know what I'm saying? About to make it do what it does, you know what I mean? It's been a busy week for Lelo, so I ain't even gonna stunt. I ain't been out here and it's been mega hot. So a lot of things have reached the end of their season, but some of the things are really been busting. You dig what I'm saying? Got Maul out here with me, and his nephew Cam, you know what I'm saying? He say it's too hot.
Too hot.
We got the city boy right there in the archway so he can stay in the shade and do his thing. You know what I'm saying? He got to have hydration, good water.
Water.
So what we about to do for real is we got to pick a lot of stuff. Y'all see that okra right there? It's huge. Look at that. That's my hand. Look how big that is. Look how round it is. You know what I'm saying? It might be a little too tough to eat, but that means it's good for the seeds. You dig what I'm saying? Then you come over here, we got plenty of bell peppers. This is the part that Maul love over here. He love these bell peppers, you know what I'm saying? We got mega tomatoes. Y'all see it? Some of those tomatoes are not doing so good right now, but it's all to the good. We're just gonna let them run their course for now. You dig what I'm saying? Until we able to do some mega pruning, because I do still see there are some green ones in there. They're still growing and prolificating like crazy. So yeah, man. Then gotta come down here real quick because that sun done did a number on the squash in the raised bed. So we just gonna pick all these squash. You know what I'm saying? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them I see right here. 6. You know what I'm saying? That's a good yield. Maybe 6 or 7 of those butternut squash. So we about to hurry up and get to it because it's hotter than the food. You feel me? So we going to make it do what it do and get up out of here on the underlay. You dig?
It's major blacking growing on in my garden. This what's happening. It's major blacking growing on in my garden. You already know it's so. I don't prep for super crop. Out here growing exotic stuff, but it's that fruits and veggie, bro. I don't prep for super crop. You already know it's up. Out here growing exotic stuff, but it's that fruits and veggie, bro. Turn up one time. Okay.
Alright, before we jump into tea time real quick, I asked Maul to go ahead and taste some of this holy basil and a fresh okra because he don't really like okra like that because of the sliminess, but I told him if he eat it fresh that it won't be so slimy. So what I'm about to do right here is pick a couple little pieces of holy basil, let him taste that thing and see what he think about it, and some okra. Get that?
No, it ain't no game, I'm planting seeds on a daily basis. Outdoor fresh farm, putting smiles on all they client faces. Teaching how to grow so you always have.
Now, before we jump into tea time and give Maul to taste this okra and this holy basil, go ahead and smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to smash down on that subscribe button too. You dig? It's tea time. Yeah, but we really only got nothing but straight water out here because it's hotter than the food.
It's
so we're
hot.
going to make that real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Cam done stole my umbrella hat.
Yeah, you know, he need it. I'm surprised he out here with no shirt on, but
Raiden.
Yeah, you do look like Raiden. You really do.
My boy out
You
here.
really do. So, Cam, let me ask you something real quick. What you think about being out here today?
Good.
Good?
Hot.
You said you've been into a farm before though, huh?
Yeah.
That's what's up. How you like that experience?
I was little kid.
Oh yeah.
I was just running around.
Oh yeah. That's what's up.
You picked something today, right?
Yeah.
How did you feel about that? Because first, before you started, you was like, I'll do it. And then after you did it, it was kind of easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How you felt about it?
He just hot. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man, we'll bring you a fan next time.
Yeah.
Bro, what you got me trying? Come on, man. What is this?
That's the whole debate.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Why does it have to be, what part of that am I
You
eating?
just can get one leaf.
Oh, okay, I thought
You
you
ain't
wanted
gotta
me
do
to
the
eat this
whole
whole
thing.
thing.
No, we ain't gonna do it like goat dog.
Don't do me,
You know what I'm
bro.
saying?
Don't
I'm
do
not.
that to me.
Shit, go ahead.
Okay, so how much of this am I eating?
You just take
Down.
a bite of it. You can eat the whole thing, but you said you don't like okra because of
Yeah.
the slime, but I told you that it ain't gonna be that slimy
Why?
when you eat it fresh.
Why?
Because it's fresh, it ain't cooked. You ain't really messed it up, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
You bit all the way down now? I got a match. Man, bro, why you do
Go
that,
ahead.
bro?
Go ahead. Yeah.
Oh, no, man.
No,
No.
it ain't never here, man.
No, you just look. You got a little, got a little slack on.
But it ain't nothing like.
But I'm just saying.
But it ain't nothing like
It got
how it
enough.
is.
It got enough, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm trying to get it down. See, that's what I get for following, bro. And I follow you. But you know what? You know I follow you all the time when we
But
come
that's
out
a
here,
good.
man.
But you just got some of that good nutrition though. Straight. That's the freshest okra you probably ever ate in your life.
To be honest with you, one time I eat okra is in gumbo.
Oh wow.
This is the first time I've ever had okra like raw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, and it was super fresh. Just seconds. Just plopped it from back there behind her, and then yeah.
It's a gift that keep on giving, cause I can't get it all down. Yours is little. All right,
All right,
no.
I
I'm gonna get a smaller one. I just get a.
No, I got 4 on.
I'll just see
I
why
got
you
4.
gotta do all that, bro. I'm not finna max your energy
You
like
ain't
I
got-
did for the other one. I'm just doing this one.
The holy basil is a good Ayurvedic medicine. It's real good for some of everything. So, trying to let Maul see what that thing be like, so he'll start growing that. You feel me? You can put it
I ain't
in
gonna-
tea, cook with it. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't gonna lie. It's not bad. It's tangy.
Yeah. Got a little.
That opening my nose,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Because my nose was stuffed all day. So, yeah, opening
Yeah.
up my nose.
Yeah.
It's almost like
Like a mint or something.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's all, I don't know what's the stuff called when you go to the dentist and they
What?
put the numb you.
The Novocaine.
It's giving me some of that, but it tastes good.
Oh yeah, cause it numb you up. That's
Bingo.
Those are the medicinal properties of it and how strong the oils are. You know what I'm saying? So
That's dope.
yeah, do some research on that holy basil. You did what I'm saying? Y'all see where we had picked it right there. Some okra, some bell peppers, and some squash. You know what I'm saying? We got beans all going crazy in this thing, but as you see, that a lot of things have done died back, but we cool with that. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no big deal. We just gonna roll over into the fall and winter garden real soon. So you will start seeing a transformation over here at the outdoor fresh farm. You dig what I'm saying? But go ahead and run it down to them also when we get up out this heat.
Yeah, man. We still doing Mimi's house. Right now we're doing book bags. We're trying to do something different this year where we are doing book bags in January. When the kids come back from winter breaks and you know they done kind of tore their book bags up, we want to re them back up and get them some new book bags and some supplies too, because I know those pencils break, the ink run out, all those things too. So we're pushing for that. So if you want to help with that, I have to make sure I put it back up on the registry so we can get that to you guys. Your help is always appreciated. And still the same, Billies Chill Apparel. We're still out here doing Billies Chill Apparel. So same old, man. Just check us out, man. Appreciate y'all.
Yeah. Y'all already know. First and foremost, check out that Amazon. The different tools and things that I use, you know what I'm saying? Even from these harvesting sacks and even the pruners that we had out here, you did what I'm saying? You can find all on that Amazon page. And then them dope tracks that you hear in the background, go ahead and download them things so you can have it exploding through your speakers and things, you know what I'm saying? Play it for your plants so you can have you some hip hop props off in this thing. And then last but not least, you can go follow me at Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Farm. Special thanks to Cam coming
Yes,
out
sir.
here
Yes,
getting
sir.
it in. You know what I'm
Cam
saying?
got right.
Making
Got right.
it do what it do.
He ain't even sweating
You know
no
what I
more.
mean?
You
Look,
good
look.
now.
He done acclimated to the heat. Look at
Yeah,
that.
he ain't sweating
Ain't
no
that
more.
a beautiful thing? Now you can go, you know what I'm saying? Get out there and give him
Cross him over one
yeah,
time.
Yeah.
Give him the ooh, ee, ee, ooh.
You ready for it?
You feel me?
Well, y'all be easy, man. Keep growing strong and making the placketing happening wherever you at. Peace. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, nigga.
He's so cool.
I'm a farmer with a whole lot of swag that grow major groceries that you have never had. This whole year, everything go black. I'ma grow exotic plants and tell you go and Google that. Cause the classes coming soon, where they going down at? Coming live from the outdoor fret farm, believe that. Orchestrating deals, gotta keep coming high. I don't believe in limits, not even in the sky. I just wanna see my people out there elevate. Teach them how to live with nature and not destroy this place. Put your toes in the soil and feel your stress dissipate. When you grow your own food, you will see how it really tastes. And understand how much money in the